Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans onto TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Paul Jehovah.
My boss.
Paul Jehovah.
The live inside himself, Baba.
Paul Jehovah.
Mina ngasho.
Angitshela logo.
But
Angitshela logo.
my brother, I still remain. Mina ngisaselana nje.
Angitshela
The
logo.
league is not over yet, but
Yes.
yeah, ayakapheli. Up until the fat lady sings.
Yes.
Yangithola ngayo yami.
Yes.
Stivo, basishayile Loftus.
Sha.
Sibashayile FNB
Sha.
home ground advantage yethu.
Sha.
Yangithola. If it maybe ngabe sibathethe sabe se-Orlando,
Yeah.
maybe ngisho ngabe sibakora uma 5 goals 6 goals kuyaphezulu.
Escoti.
Uyangithola.
Yeah.
So sibalethelana sibashaye kahle boma 2-1 yabona sibe polite
Yes.
to the team.
Yes.
Makai iligi ayakahambi.
Isasela.
I still remain saying uyangithola.
Sure.
They can talk as much as they want.
Yeah.
Bakhulume lokukhuluma. As a London Pirate fan,
Yeah.
I know ukuthi iligi ayakahambi.
Are they holding an umbrella?
I cannot say so, but I'm still saying. Bona.
Angitshela logo.
Labantu laba sanabo. We just need ukuthi amanye ama-team amanye asilwele. Babambe labantu laba mfethu. Phela silwa siyi-1 lana.
Sha.
I just hope ukuthi amanye ama-team
Silwe babenefite. Basitshela ukuthi yabo sikhukhu nekaka. Angitshela logo. Angitshela logo.
angisho ngizwe omunye athi thina sibambe we were cementing a number 2 spot. I want
Yes.
bangasho njalo akakhuluma njalo kuwe lapho.
Sha.
Mina ngithi we are coming for the number 1 spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are not just playing just for ukuthi sinokhabisa iligi ngithola.
Definitely.
Today we played the very same way the way ngatshela uRipper ngamtshela ukuthi my boss Rivero, you must listen. Only coach yami, I love him so much. Mangikhuluma yangizwelela nje.
He does.
Remember Sundowns, you don't have to go pound to pound with them. They will kill you, they will slaughter you.
Yeah.
Today sihambile sabangena sathi 1-2 masinye basalele.
Yeah.
Masiqedana sathi low block.
Relax.
Sa cruiser. Yangithola. So we were cruising nice siloko sihamba nabo.
Pela.
Yangithola.
Pela.
That is how you beat Mamelodi Sundowns.
Simple.
You don't just have to go to pound because balo wenzenzani basishaya ngayini ngama counter attack. Relax. In ati regards winning Nedbank.
Sure.
They know that they are our daily bread when it comes to the cups. We are the cup finalists, Joe. Cup
Yes.
specialists.
Yes.
Angithola. Isikhukhuni inabo. Abakafiki. Basazodlala nesikhukhuni.
Bobby.
Yangithola. Basazodlala nesikhukhuni.
Bobby, come on.
So we are not sure ukuthi
Richards Bay yenzeni?
Yangithola.
Yeah.
Yangithola ukuthi ndini.
Richard Bay.
Ubobby uyangifonela uthi Richards Bay bashayile.
Richard Bay is the Chiefs.
Shayili.
Richard Bay is the Chiefs.
Kanjani Bobby mfethu?
Bobby Mutaung.
What are you saying to me? What are you telling me?
Niphumile ku top 8. Ngikufonela Bobby.
Chiefs idliwe.
Engekho fi AAR.
Unamanga nje.
Thunile
Kaizer Chiefs.
Angisho amafans obala.
So Joe, as I was saying, Isikhukhuni will beat Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
Nedbank.
Yeah.
So they must stop talking ukuthi abakawini babhizi bapostpone ama-game bafuna i-game time bafuna ukurelax. Yangithola. Thina we are not Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
You cannot beat us twice in a season.
Never.
Yangithola ne?
Never.
Ever. Basishayilele. Today it was paid time. Uyangithola? Sibatholile sithathe 3.8. Uphi lo bathu bani uRibeiro? Today was nowhere to be found.
Angimbona.
He was nowhere to be found today.
Bicycle key.
Shalulile.
Angimbonanga.
Man of the match wami. Shalulile no rupe.
Okay.
So he was nowhere to be found.
Sha.
Uyangithola?
Sha.
Yabona manje sebathumela into zabo. Our small boys. All boys. Bathatha lento la enabungozi.
Yes.
Mara no inobungozi.
Yeah.
Because seyavela singazi uphuma phina lifunani nala. Ngabe ufuna ukubanivalele nisinifunani. Ngiyabajampisela yabona. So Sithibo. Thatha lento la enabungozi.
Sure.
Mara inobungozi. Yabona benzani manje?
Yes.
Ngisho uMutsipa akazi ukuthi balala abantu labo. Boys. Oh boys, bayanifuna le. Boys, I'm a boys. Lava, I'm a boys lava. Bayanifuna. I'm a boys. Abale.
Phela bathi nosaleng laba.
Mina ngiyakutshela nje. Orlando Pirates. We are going high. Mamelodi Sundowns, ne? I know ukuthi bayadlala and everything, but not coming to Orlando Pirates. Today we came with a game plan and it has worked for us. And then we are happy for the 3 points. Siyaphambili. Mark my words, from today, Sundowns yodliwa 5 games in a row. I'm so kidding. Yabona all boys. Nithina boys.
Mina ngithi nye.
Sundowns angeke isadliwa.
Nye isadliwa.
I'm a boys. Ngiyamthola Thibo. So big up to the boys. Into engayikhuluma ukuthi we are very happy for the game. Everything played well. And then good luck to Urile. Ngathi ngaphinda kora kuya phambili ngithola. Namuhla udlele kahle. Everything went well. Big up to our coach Ribeiro. He's the mastermind.
He is.
Ribeiro is the mastermind. That's what I said ukuthi thina we lead and people follow. Uyangithola? We are the trendsetters. Everything that we do, our best follow. Uyangithola? Everything that we do, people follow. Uyangithola? So ngiyayivala.
Man of the match.
Man of the match for mina. I know for mina ngipha one. Ngipha uCaterpillar, uMbokazi. Yeah, a young player coming from the DDC. Afika ngapha kunabantu abadala. Ufika kahle, uyablenda. Like yazi wenzani? Uyangena like a glove, uyafita. Ahlale so.
Ngenza ya.
Uyangithola? Bekele beki.
Thank God.
Phela si happy Joe.
Mr. Versace Ver Eros.
Bona himself.
I smell it on you.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Bekele beki.